Hi, this is Jan. I'd like to welcome you to another episode of LaserIt. Come in and see what we're doing today. It is that time of the year again, and what is more logic than cutting some nice Christmas decoration? My weapon of choice will be the eurolaser M800 with 200 watts of laser power and the 5-inch focus lens. For this project, we need a suitable material. In this case, it's 4mm plywood. We need a Christmas-related design file. In this case, it will be a DXF file. And, of course, we need a eurolaser laser cutter. It's absolutely simple to find a preset set of parameters from our database. I will just take it, but in this case I will use 80 millimeters a second as cutting speed, and I will lower the acceleration level a little bit, and I will increase the quality level just as a tribute to the absolute filigree parts we want to cut. Let's start cutting. What's so nice about the eurolaser machines is the incredible precision. The contactless process of laser cutting is a guarantee for the wood not to splinter or to chip in any way. Absolutely perfect for objects this filigree. So that was a fast and convenient cut. Look at these nice cutted edges and all the incredible fine details. This was a fast way to a unique Christmas ornament. Looks good, doesn't it? If you want to know what we can do more with the laser, subscribe to me and my channel to not miss out any episode of LaserIt. See you next time, and Merry Christmas!